Arrive in style with this 2013 Buick Regal. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are passenger airbag sensor, cruise control, driver adjustable lumbar, keyless start, passenger adjustable lumbar, power mirror, navigation from telematics, front reading lamps, and adjustable steering wheel. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.